30 seconds to go. And away we go with F250 second race here on Sunday in Jedovnica. And it looks like Max Cremona has taken the lead from the pole position. And yeah, we will see in a moment what the timetable tell us. But looks already that we have a number 12, Thomas Mantrip and Wayne Turner side by side going into the Jedi corner here. Oh no, it wasn't. Oh yeah, it was Thomas Mantrip. Sorry. And it looks like, yes, we have Max Cremona, Nicolas Todorov, and Pasquale Contento on third place, who seems like got a very, very good start from the outside, as he did not finish in the first race. And Jonas Lambert has fallen back to the 10th place due to not having a great start, due to having a cockpit boat. But yeah, looks like we have also now two boats, number 26 and number 46, which is Alex Cremona and Pascal Contento going for the third place. Let's look at them. Yeah, going really side by side, Contento and Alex Cremona, but looks like Alex has the inside line and a little bit of more top speed, or maybe not. Looks like Contento on the outside, maybe a little bit gets in the front, but this inside line has a lot more advantage than outside line usually. And I don't know who it is, but it is someone who has been left behind. Or is it Pete Nidal now on third place? Very good start from him also. And yeah, it looks like Alex Cremona is pushing Content outside. You might not see him, but he is there. And he has thrown through the wall of water of Alex Cremona, and Contento is out of the play. But you can see here we have Wayne Turner and Jonas Lember. Looks like, yeah, Jonas has gotten the lead now, I believe 7th place from Wayne Turner, or even 6th, because Contento has fallen away from the 4th place. And yeah, Jonas Lember, the only cockpit boat in this class right now. But you can see it is Wayne Turner and Jonas Lember side by side. Let's hope everything will be saved with these two. And it is really good turn from Jonas Lember, and Wayne Turner has lost a little bit time to Jonas with that turn, but looks like Wayne has some more top speed into the next corner. Let's see into the next corner with Jonas Lember and Wayne Turner. And still Jonas Lember has closed the door for Wayne Turner and still gives his place from Wayne Turner. But now again they are coming side by side, and it is now Wayne Turner who has gotten a little bit more advantage from Wayne, and very harsh turns from Jonas Lember actually, but Wayne Turner keeps that inside line and now probably gets a better acceleration out of the corner and takes the takes the 6th place from Jonas Lember. Very good racing from these two guys, but looks like Jonas Lember has not given up also. He's on the outside, gets front of Wayne Turner, but goes a little bit too outside in my opinion, and Wayne Turner gets the acceleration away from Jonas Lember, and they are coming side by side, and looks like Wayne Turner is slowing off. What happened to him? And Wayne Turner has stopped on the racing course. That's unbelievable. Crazy racing, and Jonas Lember has gained the 6th place now from Wayne Turner, who has lost it to Sebastian Kaczynski, sorry. Crazy race. Really unfortunate for Wayne Turner. Really unfortunate. He's trying to get away, but no, he has come to stop. But yeah, on the leader side, we have Max Cremona, Nikola Todorov, and Pete Neidl on top 3, and then Max's brother Alex Cremona. 5th place goes to right now Thomas Mantrip, and 6th place to Jonas Lember, who has gained 2 positions from the start. And looks like we have number 26 and number 25 in the Jedi corner. Kaczynski and Contento are now fighting. But our leader Max Cremona has taken the win with Nikola Todorov on 2nd place and Alex Cremona on 3rd. Sorry, not Alex Cremona, it was Pete Neidl on 3rd and Alex Cremona on 4th place. Thomas Mantrip 5th and Jonas Lember 6th. Not too much down from Thomas Mantrip. It was a 2nd only. So let's say maybe one lap for Jonas to take over also Thomas Mantrip. But yeah, I have to go. Thank you for watching, and we will see you probably in F500, hopefully.